Hi. Sam here, Lucky House, Cantonese private kitchen. So today's lunch I got special request to make a sort of like mala vegetarian noodles lah. Oh, so just to introduce the ingredient a bit So you mala, of course you need some la, our own chili padi, and then this Chinese peppercorns. Oh, so this one give it the kick already lah. And then now we have this coriander and black pepper powder. Oh, and then my own jumping chili, no lah. My own smoked chili, which I do with my spare charcoal at night lah. Then go and like roast them lah, roast lah. I think almost roast lah. Oh, and then to add to the flavor lah, I have this Cantonese sweet tausi and this tausi. Oh, you know what bean salted bean Oh, tausi lah, yeah. This is Hong Kong one, very nice one. Oh, this is the best brand lah. One bag only 20 cents only, very cheap one. Oh, then the other ingredient will be the mock duck meat, some French beans, a little bit of veggie, and your main thing, the noodle, these fresh noodles from the market. Oh, so what we need to do is first have to cut up the French beans, cut up the mock duck, cut out a bit of the veggie. Oh, this is the first thing that we need to do. Also slice up a bit of the chili, and then after that mince the tauco and mince this one tausi. Oh, so we do the clean one first Oh, cut all these things one, this one do last, tauco and the tausi last, because this one messy you mix up already. Wow, this one so messy. So then you have to wash and then do the other. No lah, then you leave it to the last Oh, messy one go to the last. Okay, then we wash this first, wash this and then cut it up. Oh, okay. Start. Sweat like mad lah. So hot again. So everything now prepared already lah. So we can start to go and go to the stove and then fry it all up. Let's go clean up this place. New guy. Okay, I put 4 big spoons of oil because you need a fair bit of oil and then heat it up and run away. First thing, fry the Chinese peppercorn first. Fa jiao. Okay, fry this first. Then put to low heat. Must put to low heat or else they burn very fast. But you need it to fry for a bit longer, then you can extract the flavor out. If you don't like hot, very hot, very fast black, then it becomes slightly bitter and not so good. So you fry it first over low heat, or you heat up, then put low heat. Okay. Let it fry first. Then you smell the aroma already, but never mind. Let it fry some more. Because I want the oil to get the flavor of the Chinese peppercorn. Let it swim in there for a moment. Never mind, because you don't turn to low heat already, no problem this fella. So it's about 1 minute and a half, 2 minutes already. Okay, so I take out most of the peppercorns. I just leave a bit. Also this one I don't want already. I just want a bit. Because you don't want so much in the sauce later. Later you eat bite, then you got wow, got some, you know, like rice husk or something like that. But you need a bit inside there to like, you know, give it the feel, you know. But you don't need a lot. Also this one take and then throw away. Okay, the next thing to go in there is my smoked chili and also the chili padi. Okay, let them play inside there. Wow, now you can smell the smoked chili it has like a smoked chili aroma to it. Don't know how to describe it. No? But add a bit of flavor and depth into the sauce. No? So now after about 2 minutes already just now was 1.5 minutes. My wife forget to on the camera like wow. So now it's about 2 minutes. Then I turn up the fire a bit, or maybe slightly more than the smallest, so that this fella now I can smell the sweetness of the smoked chili already. No? So what next leh? This one tausi. Let the tausi go in first. Let the tausi fry. Walao eh. Wow, now you smell this thing it's shook already. You got the tausi go in, got the shookness to it. So all the while now I'm on the slightly more than the small heat slightly more than the small heat. I can smell it. When you smell, you know that it's going well inside. While they are all making sense inside. Good. It's now a different flavor already. I don't know how to explain. Okay, now done. Then put this the tau chiong. Let the tau chiong go inside, fry also. Now also about 2-3 minutes of it inside already. Wow, now look what. Sugar. You need sugar a bit, and then also you need salt, about half a tablespoon. And then sorry, the sugar about 1.5 tablespoons about lah. Then you fry again. And now you almost have the base of the sauce for your noodle already. Almost the base. Then now the mock duck go inside. Let the mock duck also soak up the flavor of the sauce a bit. Okay. And then now the coriander and the black pepper powder. Agak lah. A bit more, a bit less, never mind one. Okay. Okay lah, go lah. Let it cook again. So as you are letting the mock duck, cook in the wok, get a pot and boiling water. So we prepare to cook the noodles. Okay. Alright, water boil already. The noodles here. Must cut a bit lah, later very difficult to take so long the noodle. Okay. So cook the noodle and then also one eye on the noodle and one eye on your sauce But anyway, this is all on like low medium heat so no big scary thing Now your noodle is cooking. So we wait not yet cook one. We cook until this is about 80 to 90% done the noodle. Then after that put inside. So I've been boiling the noodles for about a minute or two. Then the water start to boil already. You see, the water start to boil. Then now you have to be careful already, because the noodle is going to be cooking. But you don't want it to cook too much because later you're going to put them in here, okay, boil for about maybe half a minute. Okay, off the fire already. Now next step, take out some of the sauce first. The reason why I take out some is I don't want later the noodle not so many then the sauce too many, then too salty one not. But you take it out first, you put the noodle, you can add in later one a bit by bit, or then you can make it like that Okay, now put in the noodles. Okay, where's my food? Okay, now put in the noodle. Okay, I'll put on. Now you mix them all up. Okay, not so enough the sauce, so I add some more. Then add a bit of the noodle water. Okay. Okay, then now. Taste. Testing. Good leh. Kick is good leh. Enough That's nice the sauce. You see I still have some left enough don't put already, not too salty already okay. That was the reason why I take out some of the sauce. Okay, a bit of water some more. Okay. Okay, so finish lah. Take it out already lah.
With actual duck, how do you do it different?
Same way. But good question, good question. Okay, good. Same thing, same process. Okay. So if you add one red chili or red capsicum or what as a, this one is a capsicum this one not a chili. Looks like a chili but it's not. Just for the look lah. Đang chạy đi啦. Okay. Makan time again. Okay. So this is almost like one all-rounded meal already. You got your carbs lah, got a bit of veggie lah here and there. Oh, wow. 很香。哎呦。I think this one not spicy. Let me try. Drop. Not spicy one. Capsicum. Nice. Wow, spicy. But I think my wife can handle. Not that spicy lah. Can. So lah, like my video lah, like lah, comment lah, subscribe lah, Lucky House, Cantonese private kitchen. See you guys again. Bye.
Love.